The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla Day here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Yeah. Just some sitting want to talk to about. I couldn't know about certain sin thing. You see me? Yeah, that's a Jamaican ways of saying certain things are some things. You understand? Anyways, my people, first things first. I am going to present a video to you. This video will be recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. This video shows a certain amount of persons at a location somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And in the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to unconfirmed information that I got about the video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, allegedly it is said that residents within a community yelled and shouted at law enforcers who you can see in the video because they attempted to seize a motor vehicle from a motorist. Now, viewers and subscribers, at a certain point, those law enforcers who you can see in the video allowed the motorist to drive away with his motor vehicle. In the video, you can hear when certain amount of persons used a certain amount of harsh language towards those law enforcers who you can see in the video. And one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I would like to also know what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Come on with the truck driver.
Excitement, you know.
Here go the man, Charles. Say to buy you
excitement. This is Jamaica, you know. Jamaica, yeah, look right there, so, you know.
Erica boy, boy! Erica boy!
And Erica man, they shout up.
Shame of your man, girl. Shame. Erica boy, love the place. Get up. Tell him we can drink one half crate of beer on the road. Drink one half crate, jump on the road, rock up here. Take anything around the road. Anything we want around the road, Erica boy.
Look like transport authorities there, so that glitch right there, so see. That's Jamaica for you, my people. That's Jamaica for you. Now, in my point of view, in viewers and subscribers, as I say, maybe, and I'm not sure, but maybe the motorist with the motor vehicle might have some minor issues when it comes on to driving the motor vehicle on the road. Maybe, you know, because if you notice, the motorist was allowed to drive away with his motor vehicle. You understand? Yeah, me know say you have good and bad police. You see me? Yeah, and every police are gonna pressure you up on the road when them see you I drive without certain things up to date, you know. You see me? Certain things me say. That no means to say you forgot drive on the road without no license and then sit there. That is definitely a no problem that. You see me? I say, but sometimes maybe certain minor issues, like say for instance, like your brake light now work. You know what I mean? Yeah, maybe you might have some police officers who will say, listen, go fix that now. But note, if that man catch you next time, you know, and it not fix, you know. Yeah, remember you was one. You see me, I say, but a maybe, that's a maybe. You see, but the people are the real still, you know. It seems as if those residents was really upset because law enforcers, like police officers and you know, transport authorities, them seems like transport authorities, you know, them stop a motor vehicle or pull over a motorist who was driving a motor vehicle and was attempting to seize it, but eventually them let him go. My people, tell me what you think about the things that you saw and heard in that video, your viewers and subscribers. Me not jump to no conclusion, you see me, because I some unconfirmed information that I got about that situation right there, you see me? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. I wonder if each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, know about and I remember about an incident when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a house that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica and searched the house looking for a gun because a man who occupied that house was seen in a video holding on to something that is believed to be a gun. The man was singing in the video and the man was holding on to something, and at the time when the video was recorded, many persons, including police officers from within the country of Jamaica, believe that the man was holding on to a gun. I also read a news article that gave me the understanding that the same man had been brought into police custody and had been released from police custody sometime after the person had been brought into police custody. And according to the same news article that I read, now viewers and subscribers, it is said that the man who was brought into police custody and released from police custody is said to be a recording artist who goes by the name of Dancehall. And the news article said that he said that the thing that he was holding in the video that had been posted on social media is a prop. News article basically said that he said that the thing is not a real gun, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Now, if the police then bring him into police custody and then the police then release him from police custody, that must say something, don't viewers and subscribers. See me I say? You see? Now, someone brought my attention about a video posted on social media that shows a person dancing with a female and the person tell me, say, oh, that man, they're a pastor. Anyways, my people, according to a news article that I read, it is said that an assistant pastor who goes by the last name of Foster has been suspended and his fellow congregants are praying for him after a video posted on social media shows the man who goes by the last name of Foster dancing a certain way with a female who was dressed scantily, according to the news article. See, the same news article said some things that gave me the understanding that the assistant pastor admitted that he was the one who you can see in the video and that he was not even aware of the video. You see me, I say, my people? Yeah, so I guess me can say you can call her when they broke out or then catch the assistant pastor broke out. I lie? Me I tell my people. See? Alright, now on a serious topic now, viewers and subscribers. Today, I got information that a female attempted to commit suicide in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. According to some things that I saw in a video circulating on social media and according to information that I got about the incident, it is said that persons rescued the female. Now, viewers and subscribers, I look at the video and I think it's a sad situation. And, I would like to encourage each and every one. If you're going through certain things, if you're depressed, talk to someone. Reach out to a pastor, a member of a church, even the police. Talk to someone. Don't keep your feelings bottled up inside. You understand? Because trust me, some people might look at this as something that is simple, but it's not. This is a big issue where depression causes persons, or certain mental issues cause persons to do certain things. See? So talk to someone, alright? Yeah, when I got information about the incident, it made me feel away. That's why I talk about it. So, I encourage everyone, talk to someone. Don't hold your feelings inside by yourself. If it's going to affect you certain ways. See? Yeah, talk to someone. Alright? Don't do anything that is really bad. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla.